Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I am going to show you how to use the Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. I was going to show this technique last week, but we couldn't get the puff paint, but it is back in stock, so you can start ordering it. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So let me switch the camera. Alright, so this was the card I showed last week, Tuesday, on my blog, and I used the puff paint on this cute little bluebird here for Christmas. This is from the Birds of a Feather stamp set, and this is the Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. That is back in stock, so get it before it is gone again. This is a very popular item, and it's fun to work with. I have another card that was on my blog today that I used the puff paint on. So we're going to start with our little bird here, and normally what I do is I stamp it and then cut it out, but this time I cut my circle first. Oh, I already took my stamp out. So we're going to use the Memento ink. We have our little bird here, little Christmas bird, which you can color in all different colors. I just made mine a little bluebird. So there we go, that's that. While I got my ink out, I'm going to stamp my little strip that's going to go on the front with the Enjoy the Season. So now I'm done with my stamping. And then we're going to color in our little bluebird. I have a little bit of our pumpkin pie blend, and I'm just going to color in his beak. What I like about the blends is they're very quick and easy to color in your images. Got a little Daffodil Delight for my star. Got a little red. Let's see, here's the dark. Just going to add a little red around his hat, the dark, and then I'll come in with the light just to blend it in. Just like that. And I'll do the same with the blue. This is our little bluebird. Start with the dark. Some people start light and work the dark in later. I don't know, I just do dark first. And then I'll come in with the light. Some areas I'll leave a little lighter than others, but the color just blends itself. So there we go, he's pretty much done. I'm going to start assembling the card and then we'll do the puff paint. So my white strip is going to go on a piece of the real red. The PDF file for this is in the subscriber only album on my blog, which is www.thestampcamp.com. Make sure to print that out. My card base is the Whisper White Thick. Where did my bone folder go? Here it is. I have another piece of Whisper White, and I ran that through the Subtles embossing folder, so it's got a texture to it. I'm going to glue that on. Whenever you emboss, at least for me, whenever I emboss the cardstock, it's best to use the liquid glue to glue it on. And then I'll put my strip on. Whoops, not upside down. I just kind of center that across the front. Just like that. That looks straight. Looks pretty straight. And then we'll attach it to a real red scallop circle. Now we'll have the magic happen. So you're going to take your Snowfall Accent Puff Paint and you're going to give it a good shake. Then you want to nice and lightly just kind of spread that out where you want it to puff. I love his little accents on his hat to puff. The next thing, oh, I did put some below his feet here like snow. I just kind of drew lines. He's kind of getting buried in the snow. This one's going to be more fuller just because my puff paint kind of filled in all over. The next thing we're going to do is you're going to take the Dazzling Diamonds and sprinkle that on that puff paint. Yeah, he's got full of snow. He's in a snowbank this time. And then you're going to take your heat tool and you're going to watch it pop, puff. Takes a few minutes. It's got to heat up. There, it's starting to puff. And we'll do his hat. You see how it's popping up? Isn't that cool? Yeah, he's in a snowbank there. Isn't that cool? The paper puffed up. Isn't he cute? And then I just popped him up on the front. Let's see. I put my dimensionals off. I didn't put very many either. Just because this piece is already raised up, so this way it all kind of stays at the same level. But that is your Snowfall Accents Puff Paint and how to make everything puffy and snow-like. You can tell the difference just by everyone's going to be different depending on how much puff paint you put on and how thin, thick, but isn't that cute? He is so darn cute. He's a cute little guy. Look at that. Cute. So that is your tip and technique for today. Thanks for stopping by.